There are 44 sounds in English. Remember, I'm saying sounds, not the letters, which are divided into consonants and vowels. So what is the difference between consonants and vowels? Consonants are the sounds that involve blocking the air before it leaves the mouth, such as with the tongue, lips, or throat. Consonants are 24 in total, and vowels are the sounds where air leaves the mouth without any blockage by the tongue, lips, or throat. Vowels are 20 in numbers. Remember, vocal cords always vibrate for all the vowels.